It's a teardown of a Team Group L5 Lite series solid state drive. It's 240 gig. There's the part number if you want to read that. And this does have a metal enclosure with a single screw that's hidden under this pointless warranty sticker. There we go. Curious to see how big the PCB in this will be. Yeah, this method's been working well. Let's kind of peel it open. Obviously, if you're planning on fixing this or whatever, that's probably not the best way to open it, but for me, the destiny of this board is getting recycled, because it's dead, and it's not worth fixing for me. Maybe if it was a couple terabytes, but not a 1 terabyte drive, for 240 gig, I mean. So, got an SM branded chip. If you would focus to say, there we go, SM2258XT. I believe I've seen that before in a different drive. There's the memory, I believe. Yeah, that does have their logo on it, so the flash storage is made for them apparently. Not reading that, it's too long. I'm lazy. Getting tired of reading model numbers today. Yeah. And more space for more memory, or flash storage, I mean. That's interesting. No, the same. So apparently they could make larger capacity versions of this. Presumably a 480 and 960. If they can get, you know, 480 would be double this, and then if they have 480, or well, no, these would be 120 gigabyte chips. So if they had 240 gigabyte chips, then they could do 960 and 1.92 terabytes. But yeah, I don't know. Also, lots of power delivery stuff as always, but just in case anyone wants to read that part number. But yeah, hopefully that's interesting, and thanks for watching.